Welcome to this tutorial on making your WordPress site mobile friendly in just a few minutes. If your website looks great on a computer but messy on a phone, don't worry. You're about to learn exactly how to fix that. By the end of this video, your WordPress site will look clean, professional, and easy to navigate on any device. Let's get started. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the WordPress website. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the login option. Click that button to start accessing your WordPress dashboard. After clicking login, you'll be taken to a page with several sign-in options. To make things quick and easy, select Continue with Google. This option lets you log in using your existing Google account, so you don't have to worry about remembering a separate WordPress username or password. When prompted, choose the Google account that's connected to your WordPress site. If you're signed into multiple accounts, simply click on the one you use for WordPress. This process is both simple and secure, and it gets you right into your admin area without any extra steps. Now that you're inside, look for the plus icon at the top left corner. Here, you'll see multiple options. Click whatever you want to do. Click that. Look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice an icon that looks like a laptop. Even though it seems like it's just for desktop view, this icon actually lets you switch preview modes. Click on it. You'll now see options for different device previews. Choose mobile from the list. This instantly updates your site preview to show how it looks on a phone. This mobile view is really helpful because it gives you a live simulation of what your visitors see on their devices. From here, you can directly adjust elements while watching how they'll appear on a smaller screen. Now, click on any section or element of your page, maybe a headline, image, or button, and start resizing it so that it fits comfortably within the mobile display. The goal is to make sure text remains readable, images stay sharp, and buttons are easy to tap. Next, take a look at the right-hand panel of your editor. You'll see several tabs there. Click on the one labeled Style. Inside the Style tab, you can fine-tune how your site looks on mobile devices. You'll find options for fonts, colors, and layout settings. Scroll down until you find the Dimensions section. Here, you can adjust margins, padding, and other spacing settings. These changes make sure that every part of your website, from images to text boxes, fits perfectly on small screens without awkward gaps or cut off content. As you make these tweaks, keep checking the live preview to ensure everything looks smooth and professional. When you're done, take a moment to scroll through your site in mobile view and test the navigation. Check if menus open easily, buttons respond correctly, and content flows naturally from top to bottom. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you've optimized your WordPress site for mobile visitors. Now, your website not only looks great on desktops, it also provides a seamless, easy-to-use experience on smartphones and tablets. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more quick WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly mobile-friendly website.